Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. The Sew It box came today. This is for November, and it's got something kind of thick in there. Let's open it up and make it. Here's our Sew It box for November. Right on top, heat activated button thread. Oh, I'm really curious. Sew it, steam it, secure it. Really? Okay. Are you ready for this? Hello, sewists. Okay, this month I have found some cute fall fabrics for you, the extra fabric bundle, and I'm excited to see what you think of them. I have also designed a useful project kit for you to make a tablet for Kindle to make a case. The lining of the case is soft flannel to protect your tablets or mini laptops. In this box, you will also find project pattern. So we've got this link on card, so it'll be inside that. Tips on non-scratch fabrics for use with glass. She always has tips on the back of this little card, and that's what this is. The coolest heat bond button thread. This stuff is coated with heat activated glue, so the buttons steam the thread and the thread will bond and keep the button more secure. That is fascinating. All right, so let's look at this a little closer. Here are our fat quarters. These are thicker, a thicker feel than what I usually get. Let's see, what is it flannel? It's a little bit of a, kind of makes me think of like the duck fabric. It's thicker, it's cute. Could definitely see like making like a pillow or something with these. Very pretty though. Look at this one. Okay, and then here's our project. Lacy tablet case. They send pre-cut fabrics, a pre-cut crochet lace, that would be that right here, button, or you can use nothing, so the button's just an option. Video and written instructions, thread, spool, pins, sewing machine, and needle. So 2 minutes to put together or to pull everything out, 40 minutes to create it. You still need your machine and needles, but everything else is needed that you need is right here, including your sewing machine needle. And what's nice about this is she encourages you to take care of your machine. And she sends a new sewing machine needle. Now this is just a universal needle. If your machine takes a specialty needle, that's a different story, but most people can use that. And then little glass head pins. So that's a staple in her box. So are the fat quarters, which come with this ribbon. And it says handmade, and they're meant for you to use as labels. So you can cut on those little lines and sew them into your project. So that's always there. Okay, okay, here's our thread. 110 yards, polyester. This is Gutermann, which is it's a navy color. Here is the lace. Pins, okay, lace and a button. We have elastic, which is what the button is for, should you choose to have that on there. It looks like it was an option. This is flannel, and this is a pretty flannel. So this is for the lining of our project. Let me move these out of the way. We also have this, which I'm not sure where it is just yet. It will show us. And then we have this. So everything is pre-cut. It's ready to put together and sew. You don't have to cut anything. So here we are with this. So let's start making this one. Let's see what it looks like. Lacy tablet case. The finished measurements are about 9 by 10. So if you don't have a tablet that size, you can adjust it probably to make it smaller really easily. If your tablet's bigger than that, then this would obviously be used for something else, or it could be a nice gift for somebody. But let's make it. All right, here is my little bag. Here's the picture. My fabric was slightly different. I skipped a step in filming, and that was stitching this on. So you stitch that on top stitch, and I used the navy thread. You can barely see it, but it actually looks really cute. But you press your seams up and then lay the fabric on it, and then when you top stitch it down, it's just above the joint where the seams are folded up, so it catches it and reinforces it. So that is that. Then you want to put your elastic in the middle, and I slightly got off center. Anyway, and then I just sewed the button on with my machine for the first time using my sewing machine. I know that they can do it. My husband says he does it by hand on the machine. I'm impressed by that, but I have never done it, so I was really thrilled. I got the button on there with my sewing machine, and this is it. It's done. So you open it up, and there's the inside. So it's just a cute little pouch. There is one more thing that I did, because I always add a little extra. I wanted to do a top stitch right here because I like it for holding my seams together, but also I felt that it will hold the lining down in there, because otherwise it can completely come out. So I put my machine in, knotted it off at the seam, did a top stitch across, you can barely see it, and then ended it over here. So on the inside, this is what it looks like, which you can still turn around inside out. And I bet you it went through a dark area. Yeah, it's right here. You can barely see it, but it is a way to keep the layers together. That's my rational thinking. That plus the top stitch. I just like a nice top stitch to hold my things together. So that is the Sew It box for the month of November. It was really pretty fun. She's got videos to walk you through everything, as well as this shortcut of instructions, which is usually how I do it. So if it's not exactly the way she does it, it's because of how I interpreted the little instructions. But I got the same end result. So you'll have to let me know if you're making these and what you think about them. But that's cute. So again, this is, what's the size of this? Is 9 by 10. 10 1/4 is how mine came out. And I did use the 3/8 foot, not the 1/4 inch foot. And there we go. That's it. And our little tablet case is done. Has the elastic top. Actually could be reversible if you wanted it to, because the when you sew it together, you leave a little spot on the side, on the inside, to turn it inside out, and then you do top stitch, so it's completely enclosed. But there we are done. Tell me what you think about it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.